Hi, this is another wire stripper that I have that I made. I'm not going to make any adjustments on it because I have it already set up, but I'll try to get close and show how I've made it. The body is just 2 blocks of steel with a razor blade that comes up through the center so you can adjust how high it is. And these 2 rollers here can move in and out to accommodate different size pieces of wire. And then this part can move up and down, and it puts pressure down on the razor blade. And you can strip a lot of different kind of wires, sizes of wires, fairly rapidly, because and changeover is pretty quick. And as I said, I have it set up for this piece of wire here for right now, which is only aluminum, but it's a good demonstration piece. So once you have it set, you just push it through. And just for fun, I'm going to push it through twice to get the other side. And then you can see how it's cut both sides, and you can just peel that back. And off it comes.